there, it's Mrs. S. Today I am going to show you how to draw a crayon. It's very simple. This lesson is inspired by the book called The Day the Crayons Quit by Drew Daywalt, illustrated by Oliver Jeffers. So if you have this book, you can read it at home or you can watch a video on YouTube. Okay? So, step number 1. Get a piece of paper, get a pencil or a crayon, and you're going to draw 2 lines going down, 2 parallel lines. 1, 2. Step number 2, we're going to put a hat on top. We're going to go up and down, up and down. Now, step number 3, we're going to close the bottom with a curved line to make it look more 3D. Now you can have fun adding details. You can add a face to the crayon if you want to. Some crayons are happy, some are a little bit sad or tired, depending how much you use them. Crayons usually have black lines over here and over here. You can add those. You can even add legs. You can add arms if you want to. And then it's time to color. So you can make one rainbow crayon with all the colors that you can even imagine and make an explosion of color, or you can make a lot of different crayons, different colors. You can make a family of colors. You can make some tall, some short, some are happy, some are mad. So I just want you to have fun and try your best to make these crayons. Bye-bye.